Okay, my friends, so today I think I just received, I'm hoping, my Autoship from Diamond Press for the Ultimate Card Making Collection. Now, I don't believe this is available yet on HSN, but if it is, I'll have it linked in the description box with other links that I have there. Those are affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. The reason I'm mentioning that is because I think Diamond Press made a little oopsie when they put this on their items for craft day, and whenever they put out that email, I'm like, I haven't even been told that I'm going to be sent the auto ship from HSN, because I did sign up for the auto ship. I bought my own card making bundle, even though I did receive one for review, but I wanted to get it on the auto ship, so I picked one up separately. And yeah, so it's the I Love You stamps, dies, and stencils. If you guys remember the Ultimate Card Making Collection, the auto ships have stamps, dies, and stencils. So again, a lot of people were expecting this and saw in the email, but I think that was just an oopsie when they included that there. The thing they did bring was a gingerbread pop-up auto ship for the little gingerbread house, which I will get to, guys. Maybe not quite yet, but I will get to it. But whenever this comes up, I will definitely make another video and let you know it's available. Generally, it takes like a month or two before the people who are on Autoship get it when they have extras on the HSN site. So we will see. It might be shorter this time around. I don't know. But I know they don't have it right now. So, oh my gosh, I have been waiting for this one. I think there's another one that makes like little pockets and stuff. So just a lot of, it was like a 1.5 year auto ship, which is awesome. This larger die is 4-inch square, and I would assume this is, yeah, 4-inch circle. They usually do that. They try to size them about the same. Look at the hearts all over. Oh my goodness. And this little lacy, delicate heart here. Little flower. Look at this one. It's just like a little circle. Oh my gosh. And hearts and hearts. This is... Honestly, when I signed up for the auto ship, I mean, there were a few that I had my eye on, like, really a lot, and this is one of them, and then I guess the one that makes, like, little pockets, I think it's coming up soon, or maybe we already got that one. I don't think so, we got it yet. Anyhow, and then it has the border dies, and this is a very lacy border, and you can just cut it like this, or you can inlay it. You can mix and match it with the ones that we have before. So we have Happy Valentine's Day, Sending You Hugs and Kisses that you can inlay, or again, just use it by itself for really pretty. Comes with an elongated cutting folder, and I get this question all the time, and I even have people saying they need to buy the marquee so that they can use the Diamond Press dies. No, you can use any machine that cuts thin metal dies will cut marquee, like, Diamond Press dies, or, Anna Griffin, Crafter's Companion, Sizzix, whatever, Spellbinders. These boutique ones like you find on Simon Says, they all cut. It's just you have to use a machine that cuts thin metal dies. So they're interchangeable that way, which is kind of sad. I hope people don't think that they can't buy these because they think they have to have a specific machine. No, like not at all. Of course, you want them to fit in your machine. That's a different story as far as sizing. If you have a really tiny machine, these aren't going to fit. But the marquee is one of the smaller machines, so I'm sure you'll be okay with any of these dies. Hugs, Kisses is already there. Be Mine, You, and I Love You, Love, you love you, you are. Of course, you're mixing and matching some of these sentiments if they don't make sense. That's why you're going to mix and match. It comes with 4 pockets. I don't know why these look different to me, but they're not. Just having it in my hand. I think it's because I used those Amazon ones recently. Those little thinner ones that I really like, actually. I made a video about them before. I don't have one here to show you, but anyway, I'll follow up with those because those are really great too. But these are nice and large. Again, they hold everything. It comes with 4 of them because you're supposed to put like your stamps and then your dies and your stencils and what else? I guess, I don't know. Those are really 4 things, but I put everything in 2 pockets and then I have 2 left for something else. So that's how I do it. But what I do is the stencils by themselves and then I do the stamps and dies together. Is what I usually put them away, is how I usually put them away. And let's look at these stencils, and then we'll look at the inspo sheet, and we'll have a little play. I know you guys are probably wanting me to get back to this Anna Griffin book, and I will definitely do that. I just, everything's just in flux right now. I decided that we should go out of town for Thanksgiving. I forgot that Thanksgiving, the kids are off on Friday. And now I'm like mad dash to get videos ready and things like that so I can have something to show you guys while I'm gone. But we used to do that, and it's been, I think, since 2019 that we haven't gone back. So we're going to go to Scottsdale for a couple days, which I haven't done before, and then Sedona. We usually do Sedona, Grand Canyon. And sometimes we'll make a day trip out of it just to head up to the Grand Canyon. But this time we're going to spend a couple days in Scottsdale and then a couple days in the, Sedona. So we'll see. But this one's called Heart Attack. Really pretty with the larger hearts just all over the place. So yeah, I'm excited to go. But, you know, I just decided from one day, literally just made hotel reservations last night, so we'll be leaving Saturday. But this is how I do it, guys. Honestly, you guys see how I do my videos. That's how I do my life too. I don't really plan, so anyway, it just works out. This one's called Bouquet. Look at the beautiful flowers. How cute, all the little flowers. Now if I was gonna do this and I wanted flowers to be a certain thing and I don't want to mask off all these areas, I'll use like a finger dauber, but you still have to be kind of careful, or just do the whole thing. Or this would be really cute with the embossing, right, with the rubber embossing mat, and just run it through your larger machine. This one's called Love, and how cute. It's like a lattice but with the hearts. That is adorable. And then we have gingham, just a little checkery, well, gingham pattern. And let's see here. Oh, and no fret, please. I am already recording what I can of the bead swaps that have come in, and a lot of people, I'm going to say about 20 people, didn't send it off until yesterday anyway, so those are going to get in over the weekend, so we're going to start with the reveals sometime next week. I know several people have been asking me, but they'll be ready for you guys to check out, so it'll start sometime next week. As far as that, a lot of them did open, I'm going to tell you right now, so there's kind of some work I need to do. Not if they're completely exploded, I'm not going to completely package them back up. That's, I already talked to people who's came in that way. But, you know, I might have to touch them up a little bit and tighten up the packaging so I can send it out. So it's going to take me a couple days to even swap them out, not like normal when I just kind of swap really fast. So hopefully Thursday, Friday, you guys will, I'll have them in the mail for you guys, swap back out. All right, guys, so this is the inspo sheet, and I'm sorry that I'm talking about random things. It just occurred to me to mention some stuff and some housekeeping. These are so cute, and they have them just kind of layered up as a, you know, a little visual there, but of course you can use them however you like. And again, the inserts, and then the slim lines, and what they're or I don't know, they're slim lines. What they're showing you is the slim line, what it might look like in 5x7, what it might look like on A2, and again, you have the stamps and then like the words that pair up with it. So if you did lighter color in the background, then you, it says love you, you know, hugs and kisses. That's really cute, actually. I really like that. And again, you can cut them with your little dies. And we have the border, love you tons. Hey, hold on. Was there one that said love you tons? What is love you tons? The one of the stamps? There's stamps? Oh, it's right here. How cute. That is adorable. Have they done that in other ones? I don't think I've noticed that before. That's really cool. Cute. Okay, so they have it here, just kind of layered up in different ways. So let me just grab some papers and, you know, we'll try something out. I'll be right back with some stenciling. I just have an A2 size card. I'm going to take this. A lot of this might be covered up because, well, just depending on what I put on top of this, right, with our cute little dies and things. Yeah, I think things have just felt hectic on top of that because my husband just got back to work yesterday from having that minor surgery he had. So, like, I'm sorry, he went back today. So the house is all to myself again, and it feels weird. And then, you know, 2 days ago, my camera stopped working on me. So I had to rush to, like, Best Buy and just be at their mercy because otherwise I'm gonna have to wait, and you know, the whole thing. So I'm just like, no, I just need it right now. So what do they have? But again, I bought a camera that is really good, and people have asked me since I mentioned in other videos that I got a new camera, what the camera is. So I have a review video coming up on it, I guess. It's very much no big deal. I'm just literally like, hey, this is the new camera I got, and I showed you what the camera looks like, and then a couple scenes, you know, with the camera being filming, but it's filming right now. So what you see right now is the new camera, clearly, and it is a Panasonic. I had a Sony 4K, this Panasonic 4K. They're like the same. I mean, honestly, the body of this one is the same as the other one. This one weighs like 3 pounds less, though. The other one was so heavy. This is just red ink, guys, and I'm just putting it down in here and do a little something. Looks almost airbrushed. Wonder if my red ink is drying out now. It's very light. Kind of like the look of that, though. I went a little heavier there. Yeah, so it's just been crazy these last few days, and now I'm like, okay, let's go to Arizona. Why not? We used to go out in the RV, but we sold the RV right before the pandemic. That was really smart. And so now we just drive. But hopefully, maybe one day we'll get another RV. To be honest, I like staying in hotels. It's not the biggest deal. But I like RV travel too. I just like traveling in it, you know? So we will see. Okay. Let's see. I'll put this up here, over there. And just a little light. It looks like airbrushed. Really, really sweet and light. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Okay, let me clean up a little bit and then we'll see what we want to cut out as far as our dies. If we're going to do stamping, I don't know. We'll see. I'll be right back. I don't know, because I want to do the hugs and kisses just so you guys can see the pairing up of like stamps. So we have hugs and the word and. I think I'm just going to stamp it on white paper. And I probably need my precision press just to make sure. And you guys, I get questions about this every time I use this press. It is just sold out everywhere. I think you can probably find it at Hunky Dory's site, but other than that, I used to link it to HSN, and I would link it to XT Crafts, and sometimes Craft Stash, but like literally nowhere. So it's just a Hunky Dory stamping press. So that's why I haven't linked it, because like literally it's sold out. Which is very typical of stamping presses, right? I'm just looking for a white piece of paper. This is, oh, look at that. You know what? I'm not gonna use this. I'll be right back. Let me grab some white paper. Really, really red, called Glacier Cherry, which makes me nervous because that means I'm missing, oh, that's the red. Okay. I was like, I like to keep these, my little, these guys in these cases. That's kind of funny. Anyway, this one was missing from there, so there it is now, and I'll put that other one back in. I was just debating when I'm going to do another embellishment case swap for Christmas time, and it would be that case, and I'm like, I only have a couple cases. I do need to go look for some other ones. Hello, I have two right here just holding, excuse me, well, I have some here holding ink pads that I could use, right, if I wanted to. Anyway, so we're gonna put hugs, kisses. I'm gonna use this red, really bright red, since this one's juicier probably, yeah. And I'm just pouncing it, but of course you can streak it across like this. Have I shown you guys that? I'm showing you that before. If you streak it across, those lines that you see will definitely stamp on your paper that way. So it's a cute way to add some texture, but I'm gonna pounce, pounce, pounce. So hugs, kisses. Looks pretty good. I'll put that to the side. And then we have our little and. And I'm eyeballing that. Hopefully I don't have ink yet, but I know it. See, it's on the very edge of my thumb. Almost happens every time. Yeah, so getting ready for this trip, I'm like, laundry. Then last night my son had another performance. So since he's in jazz band, he had to be there early and then, you know, help clean up and things like that. And afterwards, it's been crazy. So yeah, hopefully we'll be all ready by Saturday, and because I'm that type of person, and we're leaving at 5 in the morning. So, well, that way we can go to the Museum of Natural History in Mesa. And there you go. All right, and let's see here. I'll take this. So, I do not know if this one actually cuts the, you know, I don't want to use the larger one just because it's, I probably will use larger one, but as a layering die. I want to see if that is small enough to be cut with this and not be like trimming away too much of the lettering, you know. It's a little claustrophobic, but I'm still going to do it. And what I mean by that is like I can see it's a little bit tight right to the letters. But how about there? I'm going to run this through my die cutting machine, and in the meantime I'll also run through this larger one, see what that looks like. Out of some red or a darker pink paper, and I'll be right back. So I chose this pattern paper I used just the other day. How cute, look at the little stitching on that. This is just such a cute set, you guys. Oh my gosh, I will be so excited when they come out, with, you know, if you didn't get the auto ship, for everybody. Let me get this going. We're just gonna glue this guy down. Ugh, sorry, the only thing with that metal tip is like, sure it doesn't sound wonderful for y'all. All right, I'll put that there. This piece of paper, I just realized, because I've been talking about God knows what, is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. So that's why I cut that down to. You know, that mats in there really nicely, really cute. And then let's see how this guy came out. Ooh, we still have some cleaning up to do, but that is so cute. I don't know where I put my Spellbinders cleaner or 3-in-1 tool. It's under here somewhere. Okay, let me clean this out And I think that's good. So I'll be right back. I'll just clean that out. And I want to pop this up at least. So let's glue this guy down. And I'll cut that little cute heart. Well, you know what? I was saying, leave that for next time. That we'll have something to show you guys next time whenever I let you know that it's on the site. But it's so cute. So maybe I'll just run it through right quick just so we have an idea of what that looks like. And then I'm gonna put some dimensionals on this. And what I'm gonna do is run this little guy through just so you see what that looks like, and this one too, just because they're a little different, and I think you guys might want to see that. So I'll run this guy through and this guy through some scrap paper just to have an idea what they look like. And I'll be right back. I was like, what happened here? It popped up. How cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this little, and everything popped out other than just this one little piece. How delicate and sweet is that? Oh my goodness. Well, let me stick this down because I just, you know, in this card, I just wanted to kind of play with those the stamps, since they kind of like pair together, and I don't normally use them in that way. Very cute. I mean, we can pop this on there too if we wanted to, I suppose. Let's look at this guy. Oh, look at the shape that this leaves behind. That's a cool shape just for anything else. But let's get this guy out. Oh my gosh, and it has tons of little hearts too, right? The little hearts that come out of this. Very stylized looking heart. And let me see if I can get this guy going. You guys, how cute and delicate. Look it. Oh, I love it. Okay, and then just to finish this little guy off, I didn't have anything really planned, but I was like, oh, you know what? I'm just going to grab an Anna Griffin bow. I have some red gold bows here that I've been using. But I have this one, and I don't know if someone sent this in a swap. It doesn't look like an Anna Griffin bow, but it looks very nice, and I had it sitting here, so I'm thinking maybe somebody had sent it in a swap, and that's why I have it. So I'm going to use this glue, even though I should probably fire up my hot glue gun. But this is Art Glitter Glue. And supposedly it holds down a lot of different things. We'll see. All right, guys. So that's that for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to all my hubbub going on here at the house. But again, keep an eye out. I'll probably start the swaps probably early next week, the reveals. They are going to be a live premiere, meaning I recorded it previously, obviously, and then it just had to be done that way because a lot of them, again, I had so much work to kind of put them back or to close them better and all those kind of things that it just wouldn't make sense in a live video to do that and kind of put things away and then go to the next one. It was a little time consuming. So sorry, yeah. So I'm kind of obviously not going to have one on Thanksgiving. Black Friday, people are busy. We'll see when they wrap up, but it'll start early next week, okay? So keep an eye out for those. But for the next few days, I have other videos for y'all to enjoy, so we'll check those out, hopefully, as they come out. All right, I'm just holding this down while I chit-chat. Again, thanks, guys. Whenever this becomes available, I'll update the links in the description box, hopefully soon. All right, bye now.